Alright, here you go. I got this in the garage right now. I got a light on it so maybe you can see the smoke. And power on. You can see everything's turning there. Everything's turning there. And starting to smell wires burning. Still nothing turning. So yeah, wire is definitely burning. Alright, I don't know where the smell is coming from, but as you can see, it's not working, and yeah, I don't know, maybe I've got too much light on it. Yeah, I don't know, but something's not right. It should be flowing and shouldn't be burning.